What is up, YouTube? So I'm down here, brought my gaming rig down to the basement because I bought some games during the Steam winter sale, but my hard drive is kind of lacking in space. So got a new 2 terabyte hard drive. Going to be installing it right here. And I don't know, I'm just going to film myself installing it on my rig. So here we go. So I haven't really opened this thing since I bought this 6 years ago now. So I got some pressurized oxygen. I'm just going to try and get rid of as much dust as possible. Oh man. Alright, so it looks like there's one, I don't know what you call it, expansion port for the new hard drive. And I have one of those nice ones where it just comes out in a tray that you slip in. So I'm going to have to unscrew these bastards before I put the hard drive in. Okay, I've got the hard drive hooked up to the motherboard, and this power source is kind of difficult to put on before putting this tray back in, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, so that took a while, but I finally got the hard drive in. Tried to keep the wiring as untangled as I could, but I think it's pretty good given the circumstances. Now on to formatting the hard drive. Okay, so as you can see, I've just booted up my PC. But if you click on here, you notice that you can't see the new drive that I installed. That's because it is yet to be formatted. I'm just going to close this. Type in disk management. Click OK. Simple volume. Add the maximum amount. And I'm going to be super creative and just call it E drive. Quick format is fine, I'm assuming. Now, there we go, new volume E. 1.8 terabytes of free space. And so I can install all that stuff I bought on Steam. All right, so it's been about half an hour of moving stuff around from the D drive to the new E drive. So now I'm at almost 240 gigs of free space, which means I can go and download some new games, like right here, New to the Library, Battlefield 3, and I think I'll start off with that. Let's go ahead and install. Space required 35.35 gigs. I got it. So here we go. All right, so it's downloading now. So that concludes my video. I got the directions from another YouTube content creator, ECPU. I'll include a link to his video in the description. And you know, if you got to install a new hard drive, go watch that one. It's more professional than mine, but either way, yeah. That's all I wanted to show you, and yeah, have a good day.